Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to do another quick and easy card using the Happy Wishes. This is just a fancy little quick note card. What we're going to need is we're going to need the Happy Wishes stamp set. This is a Sale-A-Bration set. You can get it for free. I'm going to be using Fresh Fake Bermuda Bay, and I am going to be using the Whisper White note cards and envelopes. So I'm going to do a happy for you. So I'm just going to do Fresh Fig. And again, this is just a quick and easy note card. Also, I'm going to be using the Shimmering Ribbon Pack. That's also a free Sale-A-Bration item. So happy. And I'm going to use Bermuda Bay for you. Just like that. Isn't that quick? And then I'm going to take the 1/8 inch Bermuda Bay ribbon, and I'm just going to tie that around the top of the note card. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot because I just want it simple. I don't want a bow and anything like that. I just want a quick and easy ribbon tie, bow down knot. And take the scissors. Megan's going to like this one. And there you have it. Quick, easy, fast, use free sets. There you go. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.